Hi, it's Fias Taro. Hello, all signs. Okay, so messages, energy check-ins, prediction, gabay, kung anong ating makita, no? Yun ang aking babasahin. So, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin pagdating kay Perception of Light. Okay, so ito yung kanya pong name sa kanyang FB page. Sa mga naghahanap ng healer, kay Kuya Dingsi naman po tayo magme-message, no? So ito naman yung kanya pong FB page. So, again, kung may mga interesado pagdating sa ating item, so ito yung ating mga evil eye item. So meron tayong evil eye ring. So ito yung protection from evil eye. Okay? So meron tayong necklace. So ganyan yung necklace natin. Meron siyang blue stone sa gitna. And meron din tayong bracelet. Okay? So ito yung dalawa nating sample ng bracelet. So, unisex pareho. Okay, so ito is yung ating adjustable. Okay, meron itong initial na inilalagay. Okay, meron akong initial na inilalagay dyan. Initial ng magmamayari. And ito naman yung garterize. Okay, so yan siya. Okay, so yan ang ating mga evil eye protection. Ito naman yung ating love bracelet. So, pwedeng singles, pwedeng may mga kakonect na, lalong-lalo na yung maraming conflict. So, ipoprovide nito kung anong dapat sa sitwasyon ninyo. And, yung ating grantor necklace. So, si grantor, yung taga-grant ng minamanifest. And, syempre, hindi lahat ng minamanifest natin is para sa atin, Ganon si grantor. Okay? So, kaya siya may pa-surprises kasi yun yung para sa inyo. Okay? Yun yung para sa inyo. Yun yung mga ipinoprovide niya. So, ganon po siya, So, this is non-tarnish. Hypoallergenic, 20 inches long yung chain. Pwede nyo palitan kung gusto. Okay? So, itong ating pendant lang ang mahalaga. Okay? So, may mga nagtatanong, pwede po ba yung pendant lang ang makuha? No po. No, kasama na po ito. Okay? And, yeah, this is made to order and again, unisex si grantor. So, ganyan po siya, So, para siyang may glass, front and back. Okay? So, ganyan po. Wala kayong makikita ang ganitong design kasi ako nag-design yan. Okay? So, yung ating ang tawag dyan, pang cord cut. So, si cord cutting, kung alam nyo na yung cord cutting, yes, available si cord cut dito sa Fias Taro. And, yung mga hindi alam about cord cutting. So, si cord cut, inaalis natin yung mga sabihin nating nakatali pa sa'yo, no? Oo, sa past. Yung parang dahilan kaya hindi ka umuusad. Okay, in general. So, yun po, Okay, so, yun ang aking mga items. Okay, available. Yes, kung may mga tanong, message lang po. Okay, so, let's start the reading. Okay, air signs. Gagamit ulit tayo ng Keeper deck. This is an oracle. Okay, oracle deck. And then, ika-clarify natin ng tarot. Okay, so, I'll just pick 3. Air signs. Okay. Okay, so, dito muna. So, your first card, child. Next, courtship. Next, change. In general, this is, sabihin natin, your love life is going up. Like, may pag-level up about change, about connections, okay? Connections in general. So, may chance love life, okay? Iba sa inyo, pwedeng papasok na sa bagong connection, okay? Meron din ditong, sabi ko nga, pwedeng from, sabihin nating magjowa, pwedeng pumunta na sa sabihin natin, okay, ikakasal ka. Parang ganyan, ikakasal kayo. May mga ganong energy. So, what's with this child? What's with this child? Child. Iba sa inyo merong someone na pwedeng nagkakaroon ng interest sa'yo, someone younger. Someone who loves car, maybe. Someone who loves to travel a lot. So, ano tong child in general? Yeah, see the chariot. Ooh! Same. Car. Oo. May chance na itong taong to is mahilig sa tawag dyan? Sa kotse. Kung sino man to. Oo. That's specific. No? Hindi yun para sa lahat. Anyway. So, in general, there's this new opportunities coming in. New beginning for you. Okay? Yun nga lang, iba sa inyo, napaka-negative about it. Some of you, nasasabotahe mo yung sarili mong energy about this new opportunity na paparating. Okay? Some of you, you will travel together with your kids. Okay? Somebody's interested in you. Someone younger. Somebody's watching. Somebody's stalking you. Yeah, pwedeng Cancer yan. A younger water sign or air sign. Okay? Yeah. You have this age difference. Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng i-pass connection to or an ex is watching, stalking you. Tinitingnan niya kung meron na bang nangyayaring sa'yo, kung meron na bang bago ikaw. Parang ganyan. Okay? Yeah. Some of them, pwedeng napapanaginipan ka. Okay, so what's with this courtship? What's with this courtship? This is talking about connection in general. Having connections. Somebody is, sabihin nating makakatanggap ng offer about investing, or maybe ikaw itong magpaplano na mag-invest pera mo. Yan, this is talking about then partnership. Okay, about partnership. Some of you, ikaw itong mag-i-invest, kukuha ka ng partner. Okay, like that. The Three of Wands universe. Yung iba sa inyo, kung hindi mo kaya na parang pagdating sa kaperahan, kung hindi mo kayang palaguin ng iyo lang, ng ikaw lang, kumuha ka ng partner. Yes. Or sabihin nating opinion from other people. Okay? Yeah. Kung ako sa'yo, ikaw na lang. Kung ako sa'yo, solohin mo na lang muna. Okay? Mahirap na may partner. Lalo na kung hindi mo kilala. Kahit sabihin nating friend mo yan. Okay? Pagdating sa partnership, pwedeng ikaw yes, siya hindi. Paano kayo nun? Okay? Kasi magulo Magulo talaga, sa totoo lang. Kung magkakaroon ng mga partnership, whatsoever. No? Okay? So, yeah. Meron din dito ng energy about someone or somebody is waiting for you na sumagot. Pero nandyan yung parang feeling nila, i-reject mo sila. Pwedeng fire sign with earth. Yeah. I don't know. Some of you, you're too silent. You're just waiting for your answer. Somebody's waiting for a reply. Okay? Somebody will. Okay. What's with these changes? Lovers. Yeah. Going up. Okay? So, situation about love, about romantic connection is going up. There's these changes in general. Okay? So, status is going up maybe. From some of you, if you're single, so may chance na magkakaroon ng partner. Parang ganyan. Yeah, the Wheel of Fortune. This is talking about changes. Difference, like, pero yeah, sa ikagaganda to. Pataas. Okay? Hindi ito pababa. Some of you, you're on the right path. You're on the right path. Kung naman ang ginagawa mo, you're on the right path. You've been guided. Okay? See? The Ace of Wands. You've been guided. Ang ganda. Some of you, this is talking about travel in general. Travel. Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng yung mapapangasawa mo is kailangan mong mag-travel para makita mo siya. Kung sino man to na talagang para sa'yo, hindi ito nakatira dyan lang malapit sa'yo. You have to travel. Ay, pumupunta po ako sa kabilang sa kabilang barangay. Hindi yun kasali. Ha? You have to travel far. You need to travel far. Maybe. This is talking about distance. Changes. Okay? Kung ibang country to, yes. Okay? Kung ito ay kung ikaw ay nasa Luzon, siguro nasa Visayas to. Mga ganun. Ha? Hindi counted yung sasakay ka ng isang tricycle, sasakay ka isang jeep. Hindi yun. Hindi counted. Diba sa inyo, there's this opportunity na pwedeng dumating. Okay? Na may kasamang travel. Kung sabihin natin may magyaya lang sa'yo na friend mo. Ay, sama ka sa amin. Gato ganyan, travel kami. Pupunta kami ganito. Grab it. Pwedeng dun mo makita, dun mo na makakilala yung someone mo. Yes! Yee! Okay, so diba? Ako na yung nakilig. Oo, para sa inyo. O, diba? So, there. Yeah. Some of you, pwedeng makita mo na or makilala mo. Ito sa mga hindi naniniwala. Soulmate, twin flame, pwedeng makita mo, pwedeng makilala mo, pwedeng makasama mo. Okay? Pwedeng malapit na sa'yo papunta. Para may ganyan. Divinely guided, I think. Anyway, so yeah. So that's for you, air signs. So numbers 18, 4, and 9 could be significant. Okay, so next is, hang on. Okay, fire signs. Okay, so fire signs. What's for you? What's for you, fire signs? Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay. Okay. 3 cards. Okay, so your first card, bad health. Okay, next, poverty. What? Okay, next, false person. Somebody is giving you, sabihin nating bad energies, bad frequencies. Maybe the environment you're into. Okay, you're in. The person you've been dealing with, sila yung nagbibigay. Somebody, okay, na pwedeng sabihin natin nasa circle mo ang mga nagbibigay ng hindi magagandang energy sa'yo, fire signs. There's this false person na nasa circle mo. Environment, person, kung ano man, situation. Yun ang parang nagbibigay ng stress, pasakit, hindi magandang energy sa'yo. May mga taong nagbibigay ng evil eye. May mga taong nagbabato ng evil eye. So, protect your energies, please. Okay? So, what's with this bad health? Be careful. May nakakuha akong energy dito about you have to make, sabihin nating, second opinion. Okay, I'm hearing second opinion. Magpa-second opinion ka. Parang ganyan. About your health. Like that. Kasi pwedeng mali yung diagnosis. Like that. Okay? So, this is, yeah, talking about health. Talking about medical kung ano man. So, yeah. Okay? What's with this bad health for you, fire signs? Bad health. What's with this? Fire signs. Bad health. The Knight of Pentacles. Okay. Some of you, okay, sasabihin ko na ikaw ay sabihin natin, yeah, medyo hindi magiging okay yung pakiramdam. Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng ikaw ito, na medyo nakakaramdam ng masama sa health, no? So, the Knight of Pentacles is here in reversed. Kung ikaw, alam mo sa sarili mo na kaya mong gumalaw-galaw, gawin mo. Okay, kung kaya mong gumalaw-galaw, kahit papano, gawin mo. Huwag mong mamahalin yung sakit. Okay, huwag mong mamahalin. Huwag masyadong yayakapin. Huwag yung pahiga-higa ka. Kung kaya mo namang kumilos, kung kaya mong magpapawis, do it. Okay? Kasi habang nakahiga ka, lalong, yes, alam mo yun, may chance pa na talagang maka-apekto to sa pamemera mo. Hindi ka makakapasok sa trabaho. Diba? Hindi ka makakapasok. Kung mayroon kang business na iyon, di ka rin makakapasok, di mo ma-manage. Diba? So, yeah, the Sun in reversed. Some of you, kulang ka na sa vitamins. Vitamins. Oo. Iba, parang sabihin nating lagi lang nasa bahay, hindi na naaarawan. Kailangan magpapawis. Yes, that's specific. Okay? Loving yourself more, like that. Hindi yung parang nandiyan ka lang sa bahay mo, nakaupo ka sa harap ng computer mo or whatsoever, nandiyan ka sa trabaho, wala ka nang ginawa. Basagin nyo yung routine kahit papano. Manghihina ka. Sa totoo lang. Logic na lang. Okay? Makakuha ka na maraming sakit kapag ganyan. Kung hindi ka nagalaw. Yeah. So, what's with this poverty? Poverty. The Four of Wands in reversed. Kumusta kayo, fire signs? I'm seeing here, talking about yung energy about unstable. Somebody is not unstable. Yeah, somebody is unstable. Kung ano man to. Environment. Yeah, the Hierophant. Some of you may chance na umalis sa isang pinagtatrabahuhan kasi hindi na maganda yung environment. Okay, yeah, the Star in reverse. Hindi na nakakatulong, hindi na maganda. Okay? So, if ever, sa tingin ninyo, hindi na nakakaganda kung anumang sitwasyon meron kayo, mas magandang umalis na. This is general. This is general. Okay? Merong mga kailangang itapon. Yung mga nasa inyo, mga sa bahay ninyo, mayroon kayong mga kailangan itapon. Nagbibigay na ng hindi magandang energy sa inyo. Okay? I'm seeing here, help. Yeah. The Three of Swords. Somebody is in need. The Wheel of Fortune. I'm sensing for you fire signs na ikaw itong pwedeng sabihin nating struggling. Okay? Pero I think universe is just giving you challenges right now. Universe just giving you challenges. Papunta sa paganda to. Okay? Nandyan yung pain, nandyan yung sakit, nandyan yung hurt. Pero kailangan to. Para maging okay ka, para mas maging strong. Some of you, you're leveling up. You are leveling up. Kailangan to kasi, syempre, handa ka ba sa ibibigay sa'yo? Handa ka ba sa susunod na level ng buhay mo? Parang ganyan. Kung iba sa inyo nakakaranas ng hindi maganda sa ngayon, ikaw na lang, yung parang makakatakas dyan sa level or sa challenge na ibinibigay sa'yo. Tinitingnan ni universe kung papasa ka ba or hindi. Kasi kung hindi, babalik at babalik ka. Okay? Sa level na pinanggalingan mo. Ganun po ang nakikita ko rito. The Hierophant is here. This is stepping up, leveling up. Okay? So, what's with this false person? Some of you, hindi mo kailangang sabihin yung mga dapat mong gawin, like plano, sa future, like that. You have to, sabihin natin, itago muna, isikreto mo muna. Kahit sino pa yan, na gusto mong pagsabihan, itago mo muna. Yeah, we have here false person. Okay? What's with this false person? Death in reversed. Kung ano man, yung mga nangyaring nag-end, something like that, kailangan na talaga mag-end nun. See? The Four of Swords. Temperance in reverse. Wag mo nang i-fix, ikaw lang din yung mapapagod. Okay? So, I think may mga tinanggal si universe sa buhay mo, whether it's situation, in-end, no? Situation, person man, whatsoever. Kailangan niya talagang i-alis yun. Kasi hindi mo na siya ka-frequency. And I think some of you, alam mo naman dapat nang tapusin. So, nakikita ka ni universe, ano ba to? Ano ba tong si fire sign? Bakit ayaw tapusin? Ako na lang. Ako na lang ang gagawa ng paraan. So, there. Kapag si universe na ang kumilos, wala na tayong magagawa kahit i-fix mo ng i-fix yan. Kahit i-fix mo ng i-fix, mapapagod ka lang. Okay? Kasi si universe, naghihintay rin naman sa'yo noon pa na dapat mo nang tapusin yung isang bagay or sitwasyon. So, hindi na siya makapaghintay. So, okay, it's time. Yeah. Okay? Siya na yung gumawa for you. Iba sa inyo po, ha? Okay, isikreto nyo muna kung ano yung mga gusto nyong gawin in the future. Kailangan. See? The Ace of Pentacles. Para hindi mabati. Ganoon na lang sasabihin kong term. Para hindi lang mabati. Yeah. Okay. So there. See? Some of you, ready na, inire-ready ka ni universe sa mga bagay na sabihin nating mas okay kesa dun sa ginagalawan mo ngayon. Okay? So, there. Some of you, ikaw itong makakuha ng pera. Okay? I don't know. Pwedeng hindi mo to ina-expect kung ano man. So, we have here number 31, 37, and 8. Yeah, could be significant. Okay, so next, water signs. So, water signs, what's for you? Okay, messages, energy check-ins, prediction, gabay, water signs. Okay, 3 cards. Okay, so your first card is Child, Thief, Change. Meron kayong dalawang cards na pareho ni, pangalan nito, ni air sign, I think. Yeah. Some of you, about your child, parang feeling nila wala ka ng time for them. Lagi kang wala. Not specific. Hindi yun para sa lahat. They need you. May papaltang piyesa. Diba? Napaka-specific. May papaltang piyesa. Hindi ko alam kung ano. Sasakyan. May papaltan. I'm hearing somebody has alam niyo yung energy na parang may nawawala na anak. I don't know. May nakuha lang akong energy na ganun, ha? May nawawala ng anak. I'm sorry. Okay, so what's with this child? Yeah, the Three of Pentacles about your child. Meron ditong energy about ano, ha? I don't know kung nagagabayan pa ng tama itong anak. Okay? Kailangan nilang time, kailangan nila ng aruga. Oo, sabihin natin, nandyan naman kami palagi, pero no. They're longing. Okay? They need your support. See? The Ace of Wands. Some of them, di na sila nagagabayan ng tama, ha? Lalo na, yung nasa age, like, 15, 14, 15, like that. Some of them, may mga barkada silang hindi okay, like BI, bad influence. Ha? So, namumulat sila sa hindi magaganda. Okay? Namumulat sila sa hindi magaganda. See? The Seven of Swords. Oh my. They have secrets. Some of you, you're trusting. Siyempre, dito sa anak mo, pero hindi ko pinagkakatiwalaan yung mga taong nakapaligid sa anak mo. Okay? I don't trust them. Yeah, the Hanged Man. Ito specific. Some of them, andyan na yung like, premarital SEX. The premarital. That's so specific. Na-involve na sila sa ganyan. If you're not aware, yeah. Because of their barkada. This is so effing specific. Okay? Huwag kayong, tawag dyan, mawala ng gabay, pagdating sa anak nyo. Yeah. Okay. So, what's with this thief? What's with this thief? The Page of Pentacles. Be careful of this. Sabihin nating maliit na offer. What's with this Page of Pentacles? Yeah. The Six of Pentacles in reverse. Andito na naman yung energy na yung sabihin nating magbibigay sa'yo. There's this offer. It's like too good to be true. Okay, siyasatin nyo muna, aralin nyo muna bago kayo umuo, bago kayo mag-invest, maybe, something like that. Okay? May involved na pera dito. Yeah. Too many. See, the Three of Swords. Be careful. Mga too good to be true na offer. Okay? Yeah, the Magician. It's a fraud. Pwedeng yung mabili mo, sira. Pwedeng mabibili mo, gagana mga 3 araw and then masisira na, like that. Okay? Anyway. Meron ditong gagawa ng istorya para lang makahingi ng financial help from you. Siyasatin mo muna. Okay? So, what's with these changes? No, change. The Seven of Swords. The Seven of Wands. So, again, may changes dito. Kung meron kayong mga balak baguhin in general sa buhay nyo, isikreto nyo muna. Tulad ito ng energy ni fire signs. Maraming mananabutahe. Okay? Marami pong mananabutahe. Kung ano man to, mga gusto nyong gawin in the near future, isikreto nyo muna. Huwag nyo munang ipagsabi. See? The star is here. Maganda to. Sa totoo lang. So, mas magandang isikreto nyo muna. Hayaan yung kapag nandyan na yung mga gusto nyong mangyari nga, at saka nyo sabihin. Okay? Pero kapag wala pa, huwag nyo munang ipagsabi. Yeah. This is, katulad ng energy ni fire sign itong huli. Maybe you're dealing with a fire sign. Yeah, the King of Wands. Yeah, just keep it muna sa sarili. Ha, kung ano man yung mga yan. Maybe something about business. Okay? Mamamanage mo to na maganda, sa totoo lang, kung ano man to. You can't trust anybody. You can't trust. You can't. Okay? Sa totoo lang, minsan kahit sarili mo, hindi mo pwedeng pagkatiwalaan. Yeah. Sasabihin mo sa sarili mo, ganito, ganyan. Pero maya-maya hindi na. Real talk. Okay? So, there. So, sa ibang part na yon, ha? Okay. So, yun ang akin nakikita for you. Water signs. I'm sensing din dito, ha, na may tatakas na anak. May tatakas sa'yo kasi hindi mo pinayagan. That's so specific. Okay, so I'm seeing. Nandito yung energy. Okay, numbers 18, 24, and 9 could be significant. Okay, next. Earth signs. Okay, earth signs. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So meron tayong energy angel number 333 for your earth signs. So what's for you? Mensahe, gabay, prediction, earth signs. Okay, earth signs. Okay, so we have here, first card, wealthy man. The wealthy man. Wealthy man, wealthy woman. Coffin. Okay, hindi yung literal na coffin, ha? Expectation. There's this someone, maybe a businesswoman, a businessman, somebody na pwedeng sabihin natin nasa nakakaangat, nag-expect ng changes mula sa'yo. They're expecting big changes. Okay? Sa'yo. What's with this wealthy man? Anong meron sa kanya? The Three of Swords. And Maybe you're expecting sa isang tao na sa tingin mo makakatulong sa'yo. Okay? Parang may ganyan. The 6 of Cups. Kung sino man tong taong to, gusto ka nitong matuto pa. Gusto ka nila mag-struggle para mas matuto. Gusto niya na may makikita siya sa yung pagbabago kung ano man, I don't know. This is like an energy of an emperor. Parang, or a Capricorn, or a King of Pentacles, like that. I don't know, maybe they're expecting na sana maging katulad mo siya, maging katulad, yeah. Some of you, mayroon din ako nakikita rito ha, gusto talaga na magkaroon ng kapartner na sobrang mayaman. Real talk. Pero, ang nakikita ko dito, andyan yung energy about pain. Third parties. Pwede ko kasi nag-expect ka rin ng something na long term with them. Pero I'm seeing separation sa inyo. Short term. Okay? Yeah. The word, the sound, confirmation yan from universe. Okay? Somebody is comparing themselves to you. May mga taong nagkukumpara. Sa pagkukumpara nilang ginagawa, sila yung nasasaktan. I don't know who. Meron ditong gustong magbigay ng suporta. Pero gusto nila na makikita ka rin nilang gumagawa. Okay? So, merong financial help maybe. So, what's with this coffin? This is not literal na coffin. Na coffin. This is energy of changes, endings, and yeah, this is like death. Okay? Changes, endings, changes. What's with this coffin? Yeah. Endings. Kung ano man to. May mga kailangan na mag-end. A cycle maybe. Enough with the expectations maybe. Okay? Parang meron ditong energy ng healing. You have to heal from something na nagtapos. Yeah. Oh, this is talking about leveling up. Yeah. Ikaw itong parang nire-ready ni universe. Para mag-level up. So, there's this struggles. There's this energy of pain. Striving. Something like that. Struggles. Challenges. May mga nag-end. Pero ito yung way ni universe para mag-level up ka. Okay? Andyan yung energy ng sabihin nating, kunwari, andyan ka sa level 2. Iakyat ka na ni universe sa level 3. Like that. Tinitingnan niya kung sabihin natin maging successful ka sa challenge na ibibigay sa'yo. And then, yes, you're entering level number 3. You will enter. Okay? May ganyan. Yeah. Hindi ganun kadali. Sa totoo lang. Earth signs, hindi ganun kadali. Yung iba sa inyo, nandyan na sa sitwasyon na yan. Hindi ganun kadali. Pero I'm seeing you na pwedeng maging successful ka. Or malagpasan mo itong binibigay ni universe na pagsubok na to sa'yo. Yeah. The Hierophant is here. The 6 of Swords. going to calmer waters. Parang ganyan. Okay? Changes. A lot. Big changes is coming in. What's with this expectation? Okay, some of you have an ex, ha? Okay, nakikita ko dito. You have an ex na still hindi pa rin nakaka-move on from you. Still wanting you. So, what's with this expectation? Avoid expectations muna. Okay? Kasi expectations talaga magkokos yan ng kung ano man No? What's with that? Okay. Some of you, ikaw to mag-expect na somebody is into you because they're giving you mixed signals. Mako-confuse ka dito. Mabubisit ka. So, don't expect something. Kung sino man to nagbibigay ng mixed signal sa'yo, kung ano man. Okay? Yeah. Strength in reverse. Huwag mo muna masyadong pagbigyang pansin or focus. Okay? Kung sa tingin mo, nandyan sila, para i-confuse ka lang, they're not worth it. Okay? Kung nandyan sila, bibigyan ka nila ng mga kasagutan, ng clarity, kung ano man, then, dun ka maging open. That's all. That's it. Okay? Yeah, the lovers in reverse. Kung gusto nila ng connection with you, then, maging open. Diba? Maging open sila. Ang mahirap dito kasi yung iba sa inyo, kapag no-confuse ka na, okay, hindi na ikaw magbibigay ng, ng focus, ng attention, dyan sa mga yan. So, makikita nila, okay, parang hindi naman sila, well, wala akong masisi. Wala akong dapat sisihin dito. Kung, I don't know, kasi, maybe, kaya sila nagbibigay ng mixed signal sa inyo kasi hindi nila alam kung ano rin ang magiging reaction mo. Okay, sino ba to? The Ten of Wands. Yeah. Some of them, nasa small circle mo lang. They're hard workers, some of them. Takot itong taong itong talagang ibigay yung effort or kung ano man 100% sa'yo. Takot sila. Takot silang ma-reject, I think. Okay? So, pwedeng fire sign with air. Okay. Pero madalas kausap ka niya. Pero hindi lang sila nagiging open about their emotions for you. Okay, so you have here fire, Leo, air, Cancer, Taurus, air sign, water, and air. Okay, so numbers 13, 9, and 28 could be significant. So, yeah, yun ang aking reading for you, Earth sign, on all signs, I mean. So, again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.